مرحبا حبيبي وحبيبتي. صباح الخير، صباح النور، صباح الفل، صباح الورد. كيف حالك؟ الحمد لله خير. May you under Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala care and protection. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Ahlan ya jamil wa jamila habibi wa habibti. Are you ready to start our lesson today? Nah, hana waktu tadris. Yalla bina nabda'un nashat. Naam habibi wa habibti, before we start, let's we say our yel-yel. Hikmatul Fadilah, let's do. Hanas is my life, A'is bil akhlak. Ya Ghaffar, ampunanmu adalah harapan untuk hamba dan kedua orang tua. Amin.
Our topic for today is heart and blood vessels. أيام الآن حبيبي وحبيبتي. الآن يوم الأربعاء. التاريخ الآن 3 فبراير 2021. Our indicator of lesson are be able to identify the parts of the heart and be able to identify the parts of blood vessels. Our scientific word is circulatory system, circulatory system, circulatory system, circulatory system, circulatory system, sistem peredaran darah. حبيبي وحبيبتي افتحوا كتبكم صفحة 164 للغاية 168. Habibi wa Habibti, on this meeting we will discuss about the heart and blood vessels. The first, heart. The heart is located in the left chest cavity. The function for pumping blood. The size is little bit same with the size of a human hand. The human heart consists of 4 rooms. There are the right atrium or serambi kanan, left atrium or serambi kiri, right ventricle or bilik kanan, and the left ventricle or bilik kiri. Look at Habibi wa Habibti, the heart parts. Al-awwal, vena cava. Vena cava is the main vein in the body that carries carbon dioxide blood from the head and lower limbs to the right atrium. Isnain, right atrium. The functions to receive dirty blood from the body carried by blood vessels. Salasa, tricuspid valve, bordering the right atrium with the right ventricle of the heart. The functions to prevent blood in the right ventricle to not return to the right atrium. Arba, right ventricle. The functions to pump blood and blood through the pulmonary arteries to the lungs so that carbon dioxide in the blood are released and oxygen binding occurs. Khamsah, left ventricle. The functions to pump blood throughout the body through the aorta. Sita, bicuspid valve, located between the left atrium and the left ventricle. The functions to prevent blood in the left ventricle to not flowing back into the left atrium. Sab'ah, left atrium. The functions to receive clean blood from the lungs. Thamania, pulmonary vein, draining oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the left atrium. Tis'ah, pulmonary artery, which functions to drain carbon dioxide-rich blood from the right ventricles to the lungs. And the last, aorta, is the largest blood vessels in the body. The functions as a place for blood to flow from the heart to all of parts of body. Next, we talk about blood vessels. Blood vessels are divided into three. There are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Al-awwal, arteries. Arteries is the vessels that carry blood out of the heart. There are three types of arteries. There are the aorta. Aorta is the arteries that come out of the left ventricle. Next, arteries is the branches of the aorta, and arterioles. Arterioles is the arteries connect to the capillaries. Generally, the arteries drain oxygen-rich blood except the pulmonary arteries. The pulmonary artery carries carbon dioxide-rich blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. Next, blood vessels or veins is blood vessels from parts or organs to the heart. There are three types of veins. There are vena cava. Vena cava is the veins that drain blood from the entire body to the heart through the right atrium. Venules. Venules is the veins that connect to the capillaries. And the pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins, which are the only vessels that drain oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the left foyer. The last, capillaries. The functions of the capillaries is the connecting between arteries and veins, where the exchange of substance between blood and tissue fluids occurs, absorbs food substance in the intestine, and filters the blood in the kidneys. هذا حبيبي وحبيبتي the picture of artery, capillaries, and vein. And then هذا differences of arteries and vein. Please read carefully حبيبي وحبيبتي.
طيب حبيبي وحبيبتي, that's all our material for today. Next time we will meet anymore with another topic. حبيبي وحبيبتي, لا تنسى, don't forget, do your homework well, keep spirit, keep your healthy. إلى اللقاء. والسلام